No one agrees. 5 people. 1 moment. No agreement. This is a case built entirely from testimony. No missing footage. No physical evidence that clearly contradicts what was seen. Only people. Only memory. The event itself was brief. Ordinary, at first. Something that might have passed unnoticed. 5 individuals were present. They stood within a few meters of each other. They faced the same direction. When asked later what happened, they told 5 different stories. The first witness remembered raised voices, an argument sharp and sudden, words exchanged too quickly to recall clearly. They described tension, a moment that felt aggressive, a sense that something was about to escalate. The second witness heard none of that. No argument. No shouting. They remembered silence. A pause. A stillness that felt uncomfortable. According to them, the moment passed quietly. Nothing stood out. Nothing felt unusual at the time. The third witness focused on timing. They were certain it lasted only seconds. Barely long enough to process. They described it as abrupt. Almost forgettable. Over before it fully registered. The fourth witness disagreed. They insisted it went on much longer. Long enough for discomfort to build. In their account, the delay mattered. Time stretched. Expectation formed. The fifth witness remembered details no one else mentioned. Small movements. A glance. They recalled positions changing. Objects that others said weren't there. Details that couldn't be verified. Each witness spoke with confidence. None hesitated. None suggested uncertainty. Each believed their account was accurate. Each felt certain they remembered correctly. When investigators compared the statements, no single version aligned with the others. Points overlapped briefly, then drifted apart. There was no evidence of deception, no clear motive to lie, no indication of coordination. The differences were subtle, but consistent. Volume, duration, sequence. Human memory does not record like a camera. It filters. It prioritizes. Attention shifts. Expectation shapes perception. Emotion alters recall. 2 people can witness the same moment and remember entirely different things. Not because one is wrong, but because memory reconstructs. In this case, there was no external reference point. No recording to confirm sequence. No physical trace left behind. Only recollection. Only perspective. As time passed, the stories did not converge. They remained separate, parallel, incompatible. Investigators were left with a question. Not what happened, but how certainty formed. 5 witnesses. 5 versions. Each internally consistent, each incomplete. The moment itself exists only in memory now, fragmented, reassembled differently by each observer. And with no agreement, the truth remains undefined. No conclusion, no final version. Only accounts, and the space between them. Which version do you believe?